Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be taking a look at what your options are if you believe that your employer has put you at risk, which has resulted in yourself and your work colleagues contracting Covid-19 Coronavirus. Now, if you have any questions, we have a free phone helpline where you can talk to one of our team on a no obligation basis, where they'll aim to get you the help that you need if you've been the victim of negligence from your employer, which has resulted in you contracting Covid-19 Coronavirus. Call us now on 0800 652 7676 and we'll talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. Now, at the time of publishing this video, we find ourselves in an unprecedented situation where millions of people around the world are having to make adjustments in how they live due to the impact of Covid-19 coronavirus. Many people have been told to stay at home or work from home, but there are a number of essential key workers here in the UK who provide services to their place of work which are deemed essential during the current pandemic. But just like before the pandemic, employers have a duty of care to their employees and they must take reasonable steps to ensure the safety of their workforce. Now, if an employer acts with negligence when it comes to the health and safety of their employees, and this negligence results in a number of the workforce's health and safety being compromised, then the employer may be liable. Now, because the situation is ever changing, employers must follow up-to-date guidelines set out by the government. But if an employer's actions or choices or lack thereof has directly resulted in employees becoming ill, these employees may be able to claim compensation from their employer's insurance company due to the poor standard of employee health and safety in place. Now, because this is such a recent event, at present, there aren't any strict black and white anchors to help define whether or not someone may or may not have a claim. And it's much more likely to be judged on a case-by-case scenario at the moment, which is why if you have contracted coronavirus and you believe that it was as a direct result of poor health and safety in your workplace, we'll be more than happy to hear from you and to help advise you on what we believe your options are. Simply call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 and we'll do all we can to assist you. Now, have you been affected by the Covid-19 outbreak? If so, let us know how in the comments below. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.